relevant big picture dynamic, just given the trade and immigration talk. So the often underappreciated, I think, importance of immigration trends. You can see the quote up top. That's from The Economist. 40% of Fortune 500 companies in the U.S. were founded by immigrants or their children. So that's not a partisan point. That's just the reality of it. It's a little still. I think that was mid 2000s when that stat came out. But I think it's still telling. And you can see there on the left-hand side, the left-hand chart, over the last few decades, immigration has accounted for around 30% of total population growth, around 30 to 40% of net household growth, and a similar percentage of, we talk about prime age participants in the labor force. And then on the right, you can see net international migration trends. We have the preliminary 2016 data. So a second year hovering around the 1 million mark after troughing back in 2011 at around 700,000. So domestic birth trends in population growth are decelerating. Immigration will play kind of this increasingly important role in population growth. And if you think simply about GDP, and which, look, it's at a base level represents the growth in the number of people times, the amount of stuff that each person can make, which is productivity. So, if you one half of that equation is very conspicuously augured to immigration trends, you can see the importance there for forward growth, real growth here domestically.